Welcome, this is going to be our classwork help video for the worksheet titled Fundamental Counting Principle. Let's try to get several of these done. Make sure we're using the right notation. So problem number 1 says represent the sample space using set notation. You flip a coin once. So we need to use set notation, means curly brackets, and then you list the possible outcomes. So a coin has a head side and a tail side. And that's it. There's two possible outcomes. We've listed them both there. You roll a six-sided dice. Curly brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. A basket contains 2 apples and 3 peaches. You randomly pick a piece of fruit. So with this whole 2 apples thing, we want to differentiate the 2 different apples, so we use subscripts. So a sub 1 is going to equal apple number 1. So if we pick just one piece of fruit, we could get the first apple, we could get the second apple, we could get the first peach, the second peach, or the third peach. So subscripts, when things are similar, but we need to be able to show that there's different options. All right, when a button is pressed, a computer program outputs a random odd number greater than 1 and less than 13. You press the button once. So greater than 1 means it can't be 1, so it's got to start at 3, and less than 13 means it can't be 13, so 3, 5, 7, 9, or 11. When I press the button once. Band decides on a weekday to meet for practice. So it could be a little tedious to write them all out, so we're just going to use abbreviations. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday and Sunday are not weekdays, so they don't get included. Abbreviations like this are fine. If it was less obvious, you'd want a key for what the abbreviations represent. This one here says specifically use a single variable for each event. The jewelry store sells gold and platinum rings. Each ring is fitted with a ruby, sapphire, or emerald. So in the problem itself, I want to write my abbreviations, gold and platinum. And then we can have either sapphire, emerald, or diamond. All right, so to write this one out, you want to pair these up. So we can have, I'm going to do it color-coded. So gold with 3 different insets, sapphire, emerald, or diamond. And then you can have platinum with the 3 different insets of sapphire, emerald, diamond, and then curly brackets and separate these all with commas. And we can use fundamental counting principle to make sure we got them all. We have 2 options for metal, 3 options for the gem. So 2 times 3 is 6. We should have 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's see. Maybe we got small, medium, large. Yeah, we'll do number 10. So abbreviations, small, medium, large, French, Italian, or American. So to make sure I get them all, I start with small and then I pair it to every type of coffee. Then I go to medium and pair it with every. Then I go to large and pair it with every. So small French, small Italian, small American, medium French, medium Italian, medium American, large French, large Italian, large American. All right, and 3 times 3 is 9. There should be 9 things here, and there are. All right, yep, just make sure you're being organized so you get them all. find the number of possible outcomes. So here we just have to do the multiplication. We don't have to list them out. Sandwich shop has 3 types of sandwiches. They can be ordered with white or multigrain. So that's 2 options for bread, total of 6. Maybe I should say 3 types of meat, because really we have 6 types of sandwiches. Anyway, a spinner can land on either red or blue, so that's 2 options. We spin twice, so it's 2 options for the first spin times 2 options for the second spin for 4 options. Soccer game takes 6 penalty kicks. Each attempt results in a goal or a miss. So it's 2 options for the first kick, 2 options for the second, 2 for the third, times 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 to the 6th. 2 to the power of 6 is 64 unique outcomes of goals and misses, ranging from all goals to all misses. A bag contains tickets numbered 0 through 9. Notice that is 10 numbers, because you got to count the 0. We picked 4 tickets without returning the tickets to the bag. So you had 10 options for the first ticket, 9 for the second, 8 for the third, and 7 for the fourth. 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. There's a way to write that with factorials. We'll just point that out. We'll be talking more about that later. 50, 40, number of passwords that we can generate with that system. A spinner can land on either red, blue, or green, and you spin 6 times, so 3 to the 6th. 3 to the 6th. Oops. 3 to the 6th is 729 times. And I think you can get the rest of them. All right, that's that for this video. Have a good